Bored on long flights? Panicking without internet? Guess what? Many flights now offer Wi-Fi, and it's free. Today we'll show how to connect to EVA Air's free Wi-Fi. First, turn on Wi-Fi. Connect to EVA Wi-Fi. You'll see limited Wi-Fi message. Wait a sec on this page. Tap this green button. It'll ask to open in browser. Click open. Loading. Be patient. Tap the green button again. Don't worry, it just means connect. More loading. Hang tight. Choose this 30-minute free option. Hit the green continue button. Redirecting. Patience. Don't refresh the page. Wait till this lights up. Press it. Voila! You're connected. 30-minute countdown equals success. Make sure it says O for payment. Testing connection. It works. PS, only messaging and pictures work.